I'm Rec Tito Melquiades. I'm the Secretary to the Sangguniang Bayan, also the coordinator for the Giwan Recovery and Sustainable Development Group for Resilience ng Giwan.
I am Melchor Bergal. Ako ngayon ay isang board member. Dati akong mayor ng munisipyo ng Salcedo, Eastern Samar.
And Super Typhoon Yolanda should be on her way out at this time after plowing through central Philippines as one of the strongest storms in recorded history.
Mahirap i-describe in words or in sentences. Ang nasabi ko lang noon, kaya pa bang mag-recover ng Giwan sa ganitong pinsala?
Kakaiba yung Yolanda dahil siyempre malakas at saka inoobliga din ng gobyerno na kinakailangan maghanda ang mga mayors para doon sa paparating na bagyong Yolanda.
Buong Giwan, wala ka nang makikitang puno, wala ka nang makikitang building na hindi damaged. Kung hindi damaged yung buong building, yung mga bubong at yung mga roofings, nilipad na ng hangin.
Immediately after nung devastation, nag-convene kami para gumawa ng rehabilitation and recovery plan.
Doon nag-umpisa yung Giwan Recovery and Sustainable Development Group na tinatawag. So yung nag-coordinate ng mga humanitarian actors kung saan pupunta, anong klaseng assistance yung dala nila, at saan sila pwedeng pumunta, mga ganung aspeto ng recovery.
It is with the help ng UNOCHA, yung humanitarian organization na nagmamanage siya at kung paano mag-response ang mga international humanitarian organizations. Chaotic nung una pero sa bandang huli ay okay naman siya. In fact, ang daming tumulong sa Salcedo. We learned our lessons. Nung naghahanda pa lang kami nung Yolanda, nalaman ko na ang aming mga kakulangan. So right now, Salcedo in the year 2016, sa regional na level, Kalasag awardee kami. We are compliant with the requirements when it comes to institutionalization of the DRR office, including climate change adaptations. We are also a 4-time seal of good local governance awardee, in which the DRR is one of the major component or criteria.
Kung hindi sa tulong ng humanitarian partners, UN agencies, tsaka yung mga NGOs na pumasok dito at that time, hindi ko masasabi kung etong time na to ganito na yung recovery ng Giwan. No? Siguro kung wala yon, medyo mahihirapan talaga.
And with the help of INGOs, preparations ng mga plans, contingency plans. In fact, SIDRA-based na ngayon yung mga plano. When it comes to capacity building, dami na. Huwag namang may dumating pa na kagaya ng Yolanda, but sasabihin ko, we are ready. We are ready whatever happens in as far as Baguio is concerned.
Unfortunately, hindi natin masasabi na recover tayo 100%. Hindi pa rin tayo resilient 100%. Pero all of our efforts, all of our collaborations and our partners like SCSC, our local NGOs also like GDFI are geared towards ma-achieve natin resilience na hinahanap for our coastal communities.